Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share some dies from AliExpress that I've been getting in. The first one I want to share is some dies that were sent to me. I designed for Nina's Design Dies, and these were sent to me for free so I could design with these. So I guess these came out of KS Craft Shop, but I have links to them also that you can find in the description box below. So the first one is this really pretty circular die that reminds me of a wreath, and I can't wait to use these bows that I'll get cut out here. I have some things in mind to use with these bows, and then there's this really pretty bow right here in the center, and it has holes on the other side so that you can poke them out if you need to. And I just got these in, so I haven't even gotten to cut anything out. The next one are these different size banner dies that you can also have a background piece to, so that you have the option of layering them. And there's 3 different sizes right here, so I'm really excited to use those. And there's also like cutouts that are going to come out right here. So these look like hearts. So these are going to be really pretty when they get cut out. The next one is this frame set. You get 6 heart frames right here. The biggest one is 5 inches by just under 6 inches. And then the smallest one is, guys, I need to learn my ruler measurements. I keep saying that. 1 7/8. I think that's right. 2 1/4 inches long. That's for the smallest one. So these will cut out really pretty. Can't wait to use that one. And then there's this Happy Easter right here. Happy Easter. And that's layered so that the Happy Easter will cut out, and then you can also put it on the background. So if you wanted to put glitter cardstock or something behind the Easter word, it's layered like that, just like these banner dies. And I like words that come like that, so that you could even make it, you could use some pop-up foam and make the word 3D if you wanted to. I like words that come like that. So these are the dies that I work with for Nina's Design Dies. I'm gonna have her information down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And I design with her dies. So these were sent to me for free. Now the next ones are dies that I bought from the sale. I saw this net and these little fishes, and I thought this would be good for mermaid projects. I have a mermaid book that I haven't finished that I started a while ago, and I kind of just lost momentum on it, but I think I'm going to use that in there. And then this came today, and you guys, I forgot what I ordered, so I need to look this up. But I'll put the link down to it below. Oh, I know what this is. I looked it up. It's an ice cream cone. And it looks like this. So this must be the bottom, and then this piece right here must be the cone part, and then this other piece must be the swirly ice cream part. So that'll be super cute. I looked at this and I was like, I don't know what that is at all. Then my last order is from Elena Cuddle's store, and I ordered this really pretty doily type thing. And I ordered the girl, the ballerina girl, and this pinwheel, I ordered these banners, the butterfly, and these left and right, I guess, sprigs, and this swan. And that was it from Elena's store. And then I have one more order, and it's another swan. And what this swan is it's a 3D swan, and it sits on a little lake, and then the swan sits on top of it. I'll show you. And it was not that expensive when I ordered it. So that's what this is. And I think this is going to turn out really pretty and cute. And it came really fast too. So that's it for my metal haul die. And I want to come back with projects to show. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.